everyone, it's me and it's Saturday. You know how I love a good follow-up video, and I hear John's outside with his blower. It is the typical Saturday morning here. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing. I am headed out, and then later I'm going to meet, and the typical cat walking behind me. I am getting ready to run out, do some errands, and I was thinking this morning, for my next Walmart or drugstore beauty video, would you guys rather see a tutorial with all new discoveries, like where I go to Walmart and I buy everything new and just see how it goes, good or bad? Or would you rather me do a year roundup of all of my favorite drugstore products? You know what I mean? Like maybe do a tutorial with all of my favorite things. And so, sorry, she's distracting me. So let me know down below, because there are still a few categories that I haven't found just the right thing in the drugstore. And I'm kind of determined I'm going to, because I think it's just that I haven't tried it yet. Like for instance, my brows, I haven't found a drugstore product that I like as much as the Anastasia. And shadow primer, let's see, and bronzer. I've got a few, matter of fact, I wrote a few down that I want to try soon. So that is one thing I wanted to ask you, because I want to do another video coming up soon, and I want to do something you want to see. Okay, another thing is Chanel. I've been here all morning. Another thing is rude. I just moved into my new wallet. That is a hard thing to do, I'm telling you, because it's like I wasn't quite sure, which I know after I use it, I'll find a way to see where I want my cash to go, to see where I want the main cards. But I've been using that Hobo wallet for so long that it was hard to figure out where I wanted things. I did get to kind of cull a few things, and like there's just things you carry that you really don't need, you know. And so I'm hoping that everything will work out great, but it is so gorgeous. I know it will. So someone had asked me, did it fit in the Pochette Matisse? Yes, it does. I knew it would, because my Hobo wallet does. So that is what I'm going to carry today. And now that I'm over here, she has decided she's going to chew on I've got a little Norfolk Island pine right here for Christmas. Hold on. So there is that. That's the 2 orders of business I wanted to discuss with you. I was not planning on making a video. I kind of threw on my makeup. Feels like I don't know. It's good enough for running around today. But another thing is, remember I told you about the surprise that I had coming. Of course, they didn't come yesterday, but they came today. And it's a pair of shoes that my friend Laura Vitale told me about. And I am so in love that I could not wait to tell you. They are kind of a dupe for the Stella McCartney platform. I think these are called the Elise, and these are just so good. I didn't end up wearing them yesterday because I think I ended up wearing... I wanted to take more pictures, so I just ended up wearing my Vuitton combat boots because that was the last thing that I had on. But I love these shoes so much, but they are really expensive. She is known for her vegan leather products anyway, so they're not leather, but they are expensive. So when Laura sent these to me, not only do I love them, but it's a great affordable version of these. So I am going to get up, show you my outfit, and then I'll take one off and show them to you. So today I'm wearing my Gucci blazer, which is it's thick. It's a little bit more kind of like a jacket than it is just your regular blazer. I did try this on with my black one and my tan one, and if my tan one had matched, it either needed to match a little bit more or be a little bit different, but it was just bad enough that it didn't look right. And I got on just one of my old James Purse tank tops, but what I really wanted was my Free People tank top, and I could not find it. It's time for me to go through my drawers. This is how they look. Remember I was telling you I love the look of these types of shoes with the... Hold on just a second. Not only is he he can't hear me because he's got the blower, but he's got his ear pods in. And I was going to say that is another excellent gift. My brother gave me the Apple ear pod things last year, and John has used them all year. I've only used them when I travel, like on the plane, but that is another great gift idea. But anyway, so I don't even know where I was. This is going to be crazy. How many times does he have to blow out the garage? Oh my goodness, I can't complain. But anyway, so here they are. I'm hoping, sometimes it's hard for me to tell what you can see, but I love them. I love the color. I love everything about them. So let me show them to you up close. I thought I would just go ahead and show you the whole outfit too with the bag. So it's kind of like just a kind of, I don't know, comfy, put together outfit, you know, just something I think that's cute, stylish. And another thing I was noticing that they did, and it must be a part of the design, but I really like it. See how this kind of cups in to really hold your foot on? Aren't they pretty? I mean, they are beautiful shoes, and I don't know if I've even told you, but they're Steve Madden. And I purchased mine thinking I would get them quicker, but I didn't pay attention. It wasn't Prime. So I purchased mine off of Amazon, but you can get them off of the Steve Madden website too, and I'll link those below. And they do come in maybe some shorter styles, and they come in different colors and stuff. I'll link all the good ones below. But just the Oxford design. So let me show you. But what I was saying is I love how the back of the heel kind of cups in, because then that just holds onto your foot better. And so let's compare the heel height. I tell you, it looks about, it looks like these might be a little bit higher. Oh my goodness, they are. They're higher than these. That is crazy. I would have never guessed that. That is something. Is there, let me see, is there more? I'm doing a video, baby.
Okay. Sorry.
I'm almost done. Okay, so, and then look at the toe. Very, very similar. I'm wondering, okay, let me see, let me make sure here. Yep, these are definitely, I was wondering if there was like a hidden, you know, wedge in part of this, but yep, these are a little bit taller. I would have never guessed it, because I don't feel, you know, I don't feel like they're that much taller when I wear them. I do love like the perforated, and you guys know how much I love nude shoes, so I just think they're great. So thank you so much, Laura, for finding these for us. I think they're awesome. Okay, so I guess that's it. I've actually got a sore throat. I've had it since yesterday morning when I woke up, and it's like it's one of those that's right in here, all down, like every time I swallow, so it kind of even hurts to talk. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go run along, take some Advil, and hope it goes away. But so far, so good on these. I will leave a note below if I find that there's anything wrong with them, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.